Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you why is your iPhone volume so low. So you may need to first check the volume buttons to see, try pressing on them, see maybe you just have a low volume level, right? So that's worth checking. Also, depending on whether it's the volume, the question you're asking about your iPhone being quiet, whether it is when you're playing media like some music or videos, then yeah, just try checking the buttons, or go to settings, go to sounds and haptics and adjust a ringtone and a lights volume. This is a separate volume that may be just turned too low and you may not hear your ringtone, so you can turn it up to hear it a bit better. Also, during calls, if you're in a call, make sure that you have the volume set right, because on a call there's also a different volume than for your media, so you just need to adjust it during call. Also check the mute switch. Mute switch is on the right side on older iPhones. I think on iPhone 15 and newer there's the action button instead, so we'll get to that in a moment. But if you have this mute switch, now it's muted when it shows red, so try to unmute it by sliding it. If you have a newer iPhone and it doesn't have the mute switch, instead it has a button, just go to settings, then go to sounds and haptics, and here there will be some silent mode. Try disabling it. Also, you may want to go to the Face ID and passcode and disable attention aware features. Then go to settings, apps, music, equalizer, set it to off, and also set sound check to off. Now go to settings, sound and haptics, and now you'll find headphone safety. Disable reduce loud audio, and here in built-in speakers also disable reduce loud sounds. Now go to Bluetooth and try disconnecting Bluetooth devices that are unwanted, because maybe those devices are making it not work properly. So try disconnecting them and see if the problem still occurs. Maybe those devices somehow affect your volume. So you can just click on the devices, like on the eye icon next to them, then click on disconnect. Now you can also clean the speaker grills. I think that's a very important thing, to clean the speaker right here at the top with a soft brush or compressed air. Make sure to do it carefully. And also the speaker here at the bottom also should be cleaned with a soft brush or compressed air. That may also help you. You may also need to update the iOS version in general in software update in settings. Here there will be an update if there is one. And you can update it. Or restart the iPhone by pressing and holding on power and either of the volume buttons, then sliding this slider, and after sliding it, waiting for 30 seconds and pressing and holding on the power button to turn the phone on. I'm not gonna do it because it takes too much time. And if it still doesn't help, then you may need to contact Apple support or any authorized service and try to get it replaced. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.